Well, I guess we'll see what happens then.
Holy crap. You guys have no idea how long it took just to get to this park. Ooh-wee. She does look mighty tasty though. Slime on the tires, check. Well, I'm digging it down. Well, howdy doody guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of, oh boy, here we go again. Anyway, we got the bike warming up right now. We got a little modified box headlight that we whipped up this morning, tinkering around. So yeah, we're gonna go on a heck of an adventure. We're gonna me and Barney are gonna mob through the sewer drainage system and go camp out down there again. We've done it a long time ago, but we walked in there. So now we're gonna try taking this tiny little mini bike, looking like Dumb and Dumber. Well, I'm just gonna be the dumber. And my backpack's about as big as that thing, so it's gonna be a lot of weight. I'm asking a lot of that little machine, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, throw you guys on the head mount, and it's gonna be dark here soon, so we'll see how this plays out. Cold. You don't like it? Well, I guess we better make sure this thing can even hold me in this pack. Oh no, she died. She don't like it. Come on! Don't keep dying. Well, I guess we'll see what happens then. Let's go on curve. I think she died. Oh, I hit the button. I hit the off button. Holy snackies. We're just gonna coast. We're coasting it. I hit the off button. Oh boy. We're gaining speed. Ah! My face is so cold. accidentally hit the off switch. Huh? Yeah.
Wait for the perfect opportunity.
Uh-oh. That's not cool. Can't even tell how deep it is. We ain't getting through that. Watch your custom mirrors. Oh, it's so muddy. What are we doing? Oh, I'm gonna poke myself in the eyeball. Oh, this is ridiculous. Good thing this bike, I can just pick it up and walk with it. Oh man, I don't think we thought this through. All we gotta do is get it there around the corner, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. We shall see.
You go first.
Oh, me?
Sure.
Alright. I can just carry my bike. Don't worry about it. Terrible idea. There we go. That's a little hitch and a get along. Whew. Bye. It's all slippery ice. Uh-oh, what happened? There we go. Back brake light locked up. Back brake locked up. Whew. We gotta take a break. Just to give you guys somewhat of a what's going on. We gotta try to be kind of discreet. We're gonna kill the lights and then try to get back down in there without being detected. Dee-dee-dee. Never mind. Here I am carrying my bike because I can't get it to ride through the grass. Son of a biscuit eater. Bad idea. Well, should have brought a bigger bike. It's not liking this grass at all. I can't even ride it. I've been dragging the bike the whole dang time. You guys can barely see, but you got these ice patches like this too. Now you gotta worry about the front wheel slipping out. This was a goofy idea. Starting to regret it. Holy crap. You guys have no idea how long it took just to get to this park. Man, you busted the plastics. Son of a biscuit eater.
Don't even bust my zip ties.
My zip tie?
Bike okay?
You alright, man?
This ain't the first time.
It's a classic.
Slide back into like Homer Simpson back into the tunnel.
Made it into the tunnel. Now we can use some lights. Yeehaw! Easy, boys! Gotta do it.
How do we get up there?
Toss him up.
I'm pretty out of my element right now. You guys have it? I know there's kind of
We lost him. You alright?
Snapping my zip tie, boy.
Hey, there's something right here.
Huh?
See that?
What?
There's like a stick with like a black tarp on it. I wonder if somebody's already up there camped out.
That's good.
See that stick?
Oh, you probably just shoved it through there.
Look, is that drainage right there?
Can you get access to this from the outside?
You can actually get out if you walk through this wall. There's a door that goes out to probably.
It might be locked.
Door?
Yeah.
It might be locked, but
No, Omni Center parking garage. Yeah. Go back right here. You go to the wall. It goes under.
exploring. Bunch of nonsense. Came prepared this time, and it doesn't even reach.
Good enough for me.
You ever tested the top rung on that?
Yeah. You remember how hard it was to get here?
Yeah.
That's so sketch. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So the game plan, we're gonna get up there and try to camp out again.
Wish you could look at it.
But we'll see.
Yeah, looks like home.
Comfy?
Oh yeah, someone's been down here.
Somebody?
I think a bottle and a plate.
Told you. Uh-oh.
Yeah, be careful, it's not too sturdy.
Huh?
Not too bad when it idles.
Yeah.
It's kind of quiet.
Yeah. I'm just too fat for it. Huh? All right.
Or maybe.
Hand it to you.
Yeah. Take a piece. I wasn't going to put it that.
Oh, no, my bad. Well, we're gonna get Bonnie's buddy bicycle out of here. Electric bike. And then we're headed back down yonder. Okay. Check this out. There's a bunch of... That actually looks like a nice little cup. Life is better at the shore. There's a bunch of remnants. Well, I'm getting out of here now. Alright, well, yeah, there's remnants of people everywhere. We were going to camp on that shelf, but with it being so cold, I could see a lot more people coming in and out of here to get out of the elements. And, oh, I thought I seen a light down there. I was about to start freaking out. We're really scared, or worried about camping up on that shelf and leaving the bikes down low and somebody coming along and tampering with it. I don't know. We might mission abort that. We'll see. It'd be nice to have a fire too. We'll see what happens. We'll just wing it as always. Remnants of a fire. Yeah, there's a lot of traffic down here. Definitely not willing to risk our straight moto chopper bike here. Oh. We'll figure it out. Wing ding chicken wing. Well, guys, we are no longer on our wild hogs hitting the road. The freaking man, it is so freaking cold. The GoPro, I lost a bunch of footage because the GoPro wouldn't stay on. I tried to film and it just wouldn't stay on. So we left the sewers. I don't know if the camera recorded that on the GoPro or not, but we left the sewers because we didn't want to camp up on the shelf and leave the bikes down low because there's more evidence of people coming in and out of there, which is as to be expected because it's winter and getting out of the elements. But we are back at the super shelter now. It was getting too late and I was prepared to stay inside the sewer, so I didn't have a tent or anything like that to like pull off once we got out and camp in the woods or something, because tomorrow boy woke up covered in frost. So we just last minute ditch decision to come back up to the super shelter and get warm. We just rode, we had to ride all the way to my house to get the other camera because yeah, the GoPro is it's kind of upsetting. But if you guys would have seen what me and Barney just did to get back here, it was ridiculous. Barney had to strap his backpack on the front of him, and I rode on the back of his moped, and it looked like a big hot mess express mobbing through the town. Anyway, we're gonna cook up some food and have a good time, sit back, unwind, get warm. We're just winging it. We'll see what happens. Oh yeah. Fire's going, starting to thaw out now. Yeah. Getting her all cleaned up. Yep, just smeared the dirt up front. You can see a little bit. We're gonna do some pizza. We're gonna have pizza in the sewers. I thought it was fitting because Ninja Turtles and stuff. Actually, Barney was like, Donatello. Donatello. Oh, you can really smell that chemical. Super fancy smell. Anyway, we're gonna wing ding some pizza. We'll see what happens. We're just gonna try to throw it right up here. It's not your traditional pizza. I'm gonna try to use just a piece of flatbread with some pizza sauce and stuff. We shall see. Throw a little boudin on there to season up. Let's see what happens. Season her up. Ping! About to fling the butter all the way to the ceiling. Oh, the butter's completely gone and not worth anything now. Well, that one's a little bit hit. Throw some flatbready on there. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I hope it does. we shall see what happens. Let that sizzle up a little bit. Soften up, hopefully. I don't know. Well,
Getting some heat now.
gonna throw some sauce on there. Sauce is the boss. The boss of sauce. It is so hot to stand next to this. I don't know why the heck we're cooking on this. My eyelids are about to melt off. Pepperoni's on there. Oh my god, it's so hot.
You got cheese?
Yep. That'll be the olives. That was nuked. Ouch, shoot. Bad idea.
Got cheese gluten free.
Time to add the glue. Woo-hoo. Gonna get any of the cheese on that pizza? Ooh-wee. She does look mighty tasty though. Before she gets a little even more crispier. Yeehaw. Want me to cut it? Actually?
Fold like a taco.
Fold it like a taco? You gonna taco fold it?
Yeah, I should probably cut it. You right.
Well, let's give it a shot. Barney said it's mighty fine. Flatbread.
Personal pizza.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Not bad at all.
Oh.
Perfect. Well, I'm gonna take this Pound Town. Nothing too crazy tonight. It's kind of just like a plan B, mission abort. I'm tired of freezing. Type thing. Mini bike freaking killed me. I wish you guys could have seen that.
The off-road we did for 2 miles.
Oh man, that was terrible. The camera would not turn on. Sucks. I missed out on a lot of, or missed showing you guys a lot of footage there. It was bad. Barney crashed his freaking moped a couple times, slipping on ice, falling in the water. It was pretty nuts. I mean, you guys would have got a good laugh out of it. But yeah, it's nice to sit back and just have some num-nums and some warm air for the time being. Anyway, Pound Town, and bring you guys back here after a bit. Well, guys, it is late. It's about 12:30 now. The GoPro messing up, and cold weather kind of put a damper into the plan. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, the pizza turned out freaking awesome. If you guys never done that before, check that out and try it. Yeah, we're gonna crawl in the bag, call it a night, and we're gonna do pretty much the same thing in the morning for breakfast. So like a little spin on a breakfast pizza idea, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you in the morning. Good night, sweet dreams. Stove even still going? Huh? Oof. Oh, good morning, guys. It is a chilly one. Holy crap. The porch not as quite as airtight as we used to have it. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Yeah. Up and at 'em. Blah. After the frigid moped ride yesterday, I got like cold that I couldn't shake. It was like down to my bones. Ugh. I guess that was a little old-fashioned suffering, but it was fun. Still sucks out. GoPro didn't hang up or hold up to be able to get a lot more footage. Yeehaw. Up and at 'em, shall we? See that fire going. I'm too cold. Yeah. And we got those little Jimmy Dean package or instant kind of breakfast things where you just gotta heat up some eggs. But we're gonna cook the eggs, and then, like I said last night, we're gonna do a little pizza-y thingy. We'll see what happens. It is super freaking frigid cold out there and windy this morning. Holy crap. Make do with what you got. I don't know why I'm so such a bummer about the dang GoPro not working in the cold. What do you do? Good old classic mixie up in there. Perfecto mundo. Let me get these eggs all whipped up. Pure 'em. Should be enough butter for quite a bit. And you gotta grab the eggs, so shake well. Egg in there. Perfect. A little bit of remnants of the world out of it. Let her simmer up. Get our eggs prepped up. And try our little goofy pizza idea. I don't know if it's gonna work. Well, it's gonna work, but I don't know how well it's gonna taste. Perfecto mundo. Warm up the meat. Throw some butter on this bad boy. Cheese. Whatever. Hey-ya, hey-ya. Thinking about ditching the camping channel and starting an outdoors cooking channel. What do you guys think? Here goes nothing. We can use that as our base. Ah, it's so hot. Egg on there. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys, but we're gonna see. the meats. And last, the cheese. Wish us luck. Ooh. Want some breakfast?
Huh?
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 Wake up.
Breakfast. What's the truth? What the hell? Goddamn.
Morning.
Well,
The question is, what does it taste like?
I said,
First thoughts?
oh, bombs and stuff last night.
Was it?
Oh yeah.
Man, that's pretty good.
We say nacho chicken, I was like, what?
Turned out perfect.
Oh.
Heck yeah. Oh man. Yeah, we got a little up close and personal about that one. Heck yeah, that actually pretty freaking good. It's a good breakfast idea for sure.
No, they usually use nacho cheese for breakfast. Oh, that's weird. Look at that.
I've seen them use gravy on some, but I think that was queso dip cheese.
Ooh.
Yeah, that worked out pretty good. Not diggity dog. Cool beans. Well, not gonna be too eventful of a morning. Probably just pack up crap as usual and reminisce about how the GoPro took a crap and ruined my day. Anyway, take this to Pound Town and we'll figure it out and see what happens. Num nums. Well, guys, we're gonna pack up the rest of this crap. Get ready to beat feet. Thanks for coming along for whatever that was. Another episode of wow. What was that? Anyway, I don't know what to say. I can't keep saying sorry for the GoPro malfunction. I mean, that's their problem, I guess. But kind of sucks. Missed out on a lot of footage there. But what do you do? Anyway, with that being said, make every day great exploring Earth, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Hope everybody has a wonderful day. Bye.